Picture a vast, fertile land stretching out before you, waiting to be irrigated and cultivated. Now imagine being able to accomplish this task quickly and efficiently without breaking a sweat or aching your back. That's where the trenching equipment for irrigation pipes comes in. This powerful piece of equipment is specifically designed to make the process of laying irrigation pipes quick and easy. With its efficient trenching capabilities, the equipment can dig a trench with the perfect width and depth to accommodate the pipes. And with a hydraulic system that can handle even the toughest soils, the trenching process is completed with ease. But what truly sets this equipment apart is its versatility. Whether you're laying pipes for a large-scale commercial farm or a small backyard garden, the trenching equipment for irrigation pipes can be customized to suit your specific needs. It can dig trenches up to 1 meter deep and 30 centimeters wide.